In front of me is Nothing Phone for April, and today I would like to show you how you can add emergency numbers. First of all, go into Devices Settings and scroll to tap on Safety and Emergency. Now before doing anything, select Emergency Contacts and hit Change Setting. Without Show When Locked option enabled, you won't be able to access any emergency contacts from your locked screen. So with this option on, you can finally go back and choose Add Contact. Now tap on the one you wanna attach, and do exactly the same with all the other ones you need. To remove any of your contacts, use this X next to the one you want to get rid of and hit Remove. If you want to change order of them, tap on Reorder at the top right corner, hold one, move it, and when you finished, hit Save at the top right corner. If you see that any number is invalid, you better delete it because it won't be accessible from locked screen either way. So now with this number on, I can check it out by switching off my screen and then swiping up when it's on again to hit Emergency at the bottom left corner. Now use this blue button here by swiping it to the right and check out your emergency contacts. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!